Hi, welcome back to my channel. Here's another new code. Watch out and take care.
The beautiful Iori Himeka. Code JUQ720. Released on July 9, 2024. And it has 120 minutes watch time. The story is about female secretary and her boss. The girl was married. Apparently, the guy made a huge mistake leading for the company to lose a lot of money. So the next day, the guy hand over his resignation letter and apologized what he did to the company. Apparently, the boss had something in mind. The girl will be his secretary at the company. At first, the girl hesitated, but later on, she eventually agreed. So in order to save her husband. However, while they are alone at the office, things went out of control. They spent quality time together and the wonderful story began.
Make sure to subscribe and like and turn on notification for new codes. Thank you for watching.